You wake up, look in the mirror, and nothing seems different. Same stomach, same posture, same body. But what if I told you that one tiny habit, just 60 seconds a day, could slowly start changing the way your entire body works? Not a crazy workout, not hours in the gym, just 1 minute. And most people do it wrong, or never stick with it long enough to see what really happens. Today we're going to uncover the truth about the 1-minute plank challenge. What actually happens to your body when you do a plank every single day for 30 days? And by the end of this video, you might realize that the simplest exercise in the world is secretly one of the most powerful. Welcome back to SEO Story Motivation, the place where small habits turn into powerful transformations. On this channel, we break down simple actions that create real results physically and mentally. Because sometimes the biggest changes don't come from doing more, they come from doing something small consistently. And today's habit might be the smallest challenge we've ever talked about. 1 minute, 1 plank, every day. Now, imagine this. Day 1, you drop down on the floor, forearms on the ground, body straight like a board. The timer starts. 10 seconds in, it feels easy. 20 seconds, still manageable. 30 seconds, your abs begin to wake up. 40 seconds, your shoulders start shaking. 50 seconds, you're wondering why 60 seconds suddenly feels like an eternity. And when the timer finally hits 0, you collapse onto the floor thinking, that was harder than expected. Here's the interesting part. That shaking, that burning feeling, that's not weakness. That's your core muscles waking up after years of being ignored. Your core isn't just your abs, it's an entire network of muscles wrapping around your torso, your abdominals, obliques, lower back, glutes, and even the deep muscles that stabilize your spine. And the plank activates all of them at the same time. Most people think crunches are the king of ab exercises, but crunches mainly target one muscle. The plank, on the other hand, turns your entire midsection into a stabilization system. That means your body is forced to work as one unit, and that's where the real transformation begins. Now let's talk about what actually happens when you stick to this for a full month. The first thing you'll notice doesn't even happen in the mirror, it happens in the way you stand. Around day 5 to day 7, your posture begins to change. Without thinking about it, you start standing straighter. Your shoulders sit back, your lower back feels more supported. That's because the plank strengthens the deep stabilizing muscles around your spine. And when those muscles wake up, they start holding your body in a better position automatically. Something else starts happening around the 2nd week. Your balance improves. When you walk, run, or even pick something up from the floor, your body feels more controlled. That's because the plank trains what fitness experts call core stability. Instead of your body wobbling during movement, your core locks everything together like armor. By week 3, something subtle but powerful begins to happen. Your workouts start feeling easier. Push-ups become stronger, squats feel more controlled, even daily activities like climbing stairs feel smoother. Why? Because your core is the center of almost every movement your body makes. When your core gets stronger, everything else becomes more efficient. But here's the part most people care about. The visual change. Around the 3rd or 4th week, many people start noticing their stomach looks tighter, not because the plank magically burns belly fat overnight, but because the muscles underneath are becoming stronger and firmer. When your core tightens, your waistline begins to look more defined. But there's something even more interesting happening inside your body. The plank doesn't just build strength, it teaches your muscles endurance. Holding tension for 60 seconds forces your muscles to stay engaged longer than most exercises. That endurance carries over into daily life, helping you move longer, stand taller, and feel less fatigued during the day. However, there's a reason many people try the plank challenge and quit after a few days, because the plank exposes something most workouts hide: your weak points. If your lower back drops, your shoulders burn out, or your core collapses halfway through, it means certain muscles are weaker than others. But that's actually good news, because once you know the weak point, your body can start fixing them. And speaking of correct form, this might be the most important part of the entire challenge, because a 60-second plank done wrong is almost useless. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Your abs should feel tight, like someone is bracing to poke your stomach. And your glutes should stay engaged so your lower back doesn't collapse. Now, imagine repeating that simple action every single day for 30 days, 1 minute. That's it. No expensive equipment, no gym membership, no complicated routine. Just your body and the floor beneath you. And day by day, your muscles adapt, your posture improves, your strength increases, your confidence grows. But here's the real secret most people overlook. The biggest transformation from this challenge isn't just physical, it's mental. When you commit to something small every day, you train discipline. Even on days when you're tired, even when you don't feel motivated, you still drop down for 60 seconds and finish what you started. And that habit of finishing spreads into other parts of your life. Think about it. 1 minute a day equals 7 minutes a week, 30 minutes a month. That's less than a single TV episode. Yet those small minutes stack into real change. Now, here's a challenge for you. Starting tomorrow, set a timer for 60 seconds. Perform one perfect plank. Do it every day for the next 30 days. Take a photo on day 1, take another on day 30, and see the difference for yourself. Because the truth is, transformation rarely comes from big efforts done once. It comes from tiny actions repeated consistently. 1 minute today, 1 minute tomorrow, 1 minute again the next day. And if you're ready to start the challenge right now, drop down on the floor after this video and begin your first plank. Comment below with the words Day 1 so we know you're starting the journey with us. And if you want more simple habits that can transform your strength, health, and mindset, make sure you subscribe to SEO Story Motivation and turn on notifications so you never miss the next challenge. Because the next video might introduce a habit that changes your body even faster than this one. Remember, big transformations don't start with big steps. They start with 1 minute. And your 60 seconds begin now.